Hello there guys, welcome, out you're okay. Just thought I'd do a channel update. I've got some new features. I've got doing some live streaming. I've got an open zebra finch nest with some babies in there, so I've decided to get a camera in there and also a camera in the main Budgie aviary so you can have a look at the budgies. I think I'm going to be doing some streaming from about 7 o'clock to about half 7. Going to try and keep to a schedule, so anyone that wants to tune in, you know what time to tune in. If you miss it, don't worry, because it'll be on my channel, so you'll be able to see the zebra finches getting fed and growing up every day, and then you get to have a look at the budgies and the new chicks that are coming out or whatever. So yeah, I think that's really cool, especially the zebra finches, because it's not often you get to look inside a zebra finch nest unless you've got a really tiny camera, because they build their nests really closed in and you can't really see. So I think that's cool. And I've got some baby budgies that come out of the nest. I've got some that are growing up, some that are just hatched. I've got all that cool stuff coming up, guys, so stay tuned. So this is the camera that I'm using. I'll leave a link in the description, so if you're interested in this camera you can go and purchase it yourself. Really good cameras, they're really good quality, they're wireless, you just got to provide them with power, but they're highly recommended. So that's the one in the Budgie aviary, and then this is in the finch aviary with a cheeky finch on the power cable there. As you can see, this is the view I can get with my camera from the outside, and you can't quite see the inside. You can't really see how many chicks there are. So you can see with the camera, you can see right into the nest. I mean, I could zoom in if I wanted to, but I think that's a good enough view. You can see all the chicks, all the nice full crops, and you can see them getting fed and look at them different times of the day. You can even look at them on your mobile phone through the app that you get with the camera, wherever you are, as long as you've got a good enough internet. I think it's absolutely brilliant. So don't forget guys, the live stream, I'm going to try and do it every day from about 7 o'clock to half 7. I'm going to show you the finches and show you my budgies, so if you're interested, tune in guys at that time. And on next to, I don't know if you've seen some of my recent videos, but I've been in the process of moving some budgies from the top aviary into this new flight that you can see here. They're all settling down quite well. A few of them are already picking out their boxes, a few of the females, so hopefully I'll have eggs within the next few weeks. Also recently purchased some more Bengalese finches and released them into the top aviary. The top aviary now is just all open, and it's got canaries, doves, Bengalese finches and zebra finches all in there, and they're all having lots of fun at the moment. So coming up in just a few seconds guys, I'll let you have a look at they opened up top aviary. The birds all settling in and getting used to the massive aviary they've got now. Coming up next is the baby budgies I've got at the moment. So I've been checking on a nest box inside in the shed in the main aviary. There's 5 chicks in one box, and these 2 are the oldest. They're very cute at the moment. Got a green one and got a yellowy one. Very lovely birds. And then I checked the boxes outside. Most of them have just got eggs. They're either empty or they've got eggs, or they're like this. There's one box with I think 5 chicks, all doing okay. There's another box with 3 or 4 chicks doing okay. So it's going to be a little quiet for now until at least, well, definitely when the birds in the new flight settle down. They got all the boxes up, and this was a few days ago. They're already looking in there. I reckon by the end of this week most of the females would have chosen their box, and then they just need to lay eggs and get me some more nice lovely chicks. So that just about brings me to the end of this update guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you do, please hit the like button. If you got any comments, please feel free to comment. It helps me out a lot. If you want to subscribe, or you know anyone that likes these kind of videos, budgies, finches, doves, aviaries, all that kind of cool stuff. And also with the live streaming now guys, don't forget live streaming. Gonna be trying to do it every day between 7 o'clock in the evening UK time and half 7. I'm gonna switch between the baby zebra finch nest and my budgies in the main aviary. Also guys, my subscribers, if you've got any comments, if you've got any recommendations, anything you want to see more of, please let me know. I will cater to you guys. You know, this is why I'm here, for my subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with some video footage from the past week or two. Thanks a lot for watching guys, look after yourselves, see you next time.